Welcome back, children, after a long time to our online class. How are you all? Okay, we all, mashallah, everyone have passed and you all are now in 8th grade, isn't it? Congratulations. We'll start our, we'll start our lesson. This is not your lesson. This is just basics of 8th class, okay? What we have studied in 6th, 7th, 8th in our lower grades, the same thing. This is our first class, so we'll do just a little revision of it. Okay, no homework. Listen to it properly. Start studying from today onwards. Take out your books. This is not your first lesson. This is not in your reader. Just a little revision for you all, isn't it? What is sentence, children? A set of words that is complete in itself, typically containing a subject and predicate, conveying a statement, question, exclamation, or command, and consisting of a main clause and subordinate clause is called a sentence. I am a girl. Okay, I study in 8th class. This is a complete sentence. What is a noun? A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Proper noun, there are 3 types of nouns again. Noun is a place. Noun is a word, see in this box. Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, idea, or a quality. Example: girl, boy, city, David, truth, goat, honesty, and table. Proper noun. What is proper noun means for children? Refers to the individual name of person, place, or thing. Example might be Barcelona, Leonardo, Vinci, or Toyota. For example, person, man, woman, teacher, John, Mary. Place means home, office, town side, countryside, America. Thing, table, car, or banana, money, music, love, dog, or monkey. These all include noun. Common noun, proper noun. Okay, there are 3 types of nouns. These 2 are there, then the next one we'll see. Common noun means what, ma? A common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they come to at the beginning of the sentence. Teacher, baseball, city. It is a common noun, common for everyone. Proper noun means what? See the definition of it. You all can note down in your books. I know after the class a little confusion will be there. You can go through the video again, save the video, or you can note down in any book, okay? Neatly you can note it down so that it will be useful for you, isn't it? 8th, 9th grade, 10th grade. Isn't it? In grammar part, if you know it clearly, you can do it very well. What is proper noun, children? What is the definition? It is a noun that determines the particular person, thing, object, organization, or any idea which is shown or written in the sentence. What are the examples? Mount Everest. Underline. This is a proper noun. Why it is underlined? Because it is the proper noun. Not the whole sentence is not the proper noun. Only Mount Everest speciality. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Maya loves to swim early in the morning. Underline Maya. Miami is one of the lovely visiting cities to enjoy. Robin is playing chess with his friends. Robin is a proper noun. 5th one, kids like Oreo biscuit. Oreo, underline, this is proper noun. Is it clear? What is collective noun? A band of men, a cast of actors, a stock of librarians, a sentence of judges, a luxury of beauties, a galaxy of beauties, a bevy of girls, a choir of singers, hack of smokers. For people, animals, a colony of gulls, a brood of hens, a flight of birds, a flock of turkey, a group of guinea pigs, a litter of cubs, a kennel of dogs, a sloth of bears. Now what about things? Collective noun, how you write it better? Got it? A batch of cakes, a bottle of milk, a bowl of rice, a box of cereal. I am giving you so many examples. I hope it will be clear. A can of soda, a cartoon of milk. Okay, just don't listen to me and forget it off. Listen it properly. You can again rewind and listen to the video properly. If you are intelligent, smart enough, you'll note it down so that again there will be no confusion to you. Collective noun with examples. One word that names a group of people, animals, or things. An army of soldiers, a team of ducks, a bunch of keys. Okay. Now a word which is used to describe an action, state or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a substance such as hear, become, happen is a verb. What is a verb? Action verbs. It is in a good way, isn't it? Colorful way, you can understand it better, I think. Grow, swim, fly, feel. Okay. Past tense, present tense of it. Helping verbs. These are verbs. She felt the earthquake. Felt, action verb. She felt surprise. Felt is again the verb. Got it? Next is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary means what, children? Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, will, has, have, okay, had, do, does, did are auxiliary words. Auxiliary words, verbs means I am sorry, underline am. Okay, I am sorry for what I have done. He is a great all round player is auxiliary verb. You are too old to learn. Are is an auxiliary verb. Okay, there can be exercises in your near future in your 8th grade or 9th grade or 10th grade. After that also you need good English, good grammar to go very well in studies and everything, isn't it? So remember these words, repeat these words in your home with your friends, with your cousins, with your brothers, sisters. Write it down in your notebooks. Any notebook. Now teacher did not tell us, don't make excuses. When you take so many things when you buy, why can't you buy a book and note it down? Okay, it is written in auxiliary verb is colored in red. Okay, in this way, again, when we start our lessons and all, I cannot explain you the grammar so clearly. This is our introduction, first class. So one by one, we'll go slowly. He was elected. Was is an auxiliary verb. He was elected by an unanimous vote. The children were playing with a ball. Music will be played on a phonograph. This actress has been divorced from her husband. He will not play volleyball. He has bought some tropical fruits. Our guest have arrived. I had not seen him for 15 years. I do not feel like going out tonight. Does your job fulfill your expectation? Does is a auxiliary verb. Did you have a nice holiday? Okay, verb means what, children? Verb is an action, a word that shows the action. Jumping girl, the baby sleeps, a man eats burger. The word in the red is a verb. Got it? What is pronoun, children? A word that can function as a noun phrase used by itself and that refers either to a participant in the discourse. Pronoun means it's not necessary to use your name. Pronoun: I went to hospital. You came late in the class. I, you, we, they, it, she, this are pronouns. Or to someone or something mentioned elsewhere in the discourse. What is pronoun? She, it, this, I, you, we are pronouns. What is adverb? A word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, or other adverb or a word group expressing a relation of a place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, degree, etc. Example: gently, quiet, then, there are adverb. Examples: first one, he swims well. Well is adverb. Swims is verb. Understood? Now this is explaining how well he's swimming. He ran quickly. Ran is a verb. Quickly is the adverb. Which adds some more information to the sentence is the adverb. He spoke softly. James coughed loudly to attract her attention. I hope it is clear. He plays the flute beautifully. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. Got it, children? Is it clear? Thank you.